In the previous lesson, we saw how the untrimmed surface feature can be used to eliminate a hole from a surface. This can also be accomplished by pressing Delete on your keyboard. All you have to do is select an edge belonging to a hole through a surface. Press Delete and this window appears. Because you've selected an edge that belongs to the hole, but also to the overall surface, you have to tell SolidWorks whether you intend to delete the entire surface or feature, or if you simply want to delete the hole. I'll select Delete Hole, and the hole is removed. Notice a Delete Hole feature is added to the Feature Manager tree. This is important because it provides you a way to delete the delete hole operation. Otherwise, you'd have to recreate the hole if you ever wanted it back. Another reason for the Delete Hole feature is so you can edit the operation. You can click the feature and select Edit Feature. A window appears listing each hole that was deleted. With this window open, I can add more holes to the list. Or remove holes from the list by selecting them and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Note that at least one hole must remain in this window. If you want to remove every hole from the list, you could simply delete the feature from the feature tree.